Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday, December 1st here. Talk to you about the grain markets today. Okay, it's drier and warmer in Argentina and southern Brazil today than it was yesterday. This is going to be the theme going forward. We're going to flip-flop back and forth on these weather reports. It has been dry in Argentina. The first 2 weeks of December look like it's going to be dry, so really important that we get some rains going sometime. It is early in the year here over there, but we'll keep talking about that. In La Nina years that we have this year, you got to be careful about predicting big bumper crops out of South America. So really important here. Corn and soybeans are higher this morning as we start the new month of December, so we'll see where we go. Rabobank, the big agricultural lending bank, sees grain prices 10% higher next year. Well, Societe Generale, the big French bank, sees prices lower next year. So you got to be careful who you listen to, and we're going to talk about themes that we think can move these grain markets going forward here in the weeks ahead. Okay, our first chart of corn, you can see we're down in here. We're trying to rally. The funds had massive big short positions in corn. They're buying back some here. We'll kind of see where we go. I think exports are the key here. And just to touch on NAFTA, North American Free Trade Agreement, in 1993, agricultural exports to Mexico and Canada were $8.9 billion. Today, they're $38 billion. Really important here, the demand story in North America, Canada, and Mexico buying our grains. It's important that this continues. Okay, the soybean market. So our next chart, you can see soybeans a little different. We're trying to rally. We're higher here today. And something to touch on, what the North American farmers going to plant next year. As we speak here, November 18 soybeans are 10.07. So that's a good price. And right now, looking at price, you'll see more acres into soybeans next year in North America. But that's ahead of us here. I think the soybean meal story is really good. Good demand for soybean meal. It's been leading when we rally. Keep an eye on that. We'll keep talking about that. Again, exports really the key here. China's been talking down U.S. exports because of GMO restrictions, and China's notorious for that. Talk our soybeans down, then they come in and buy them for their needs going forward. So we'll kind of see how we need exports to continue on a daily basis, see if they can pick up. Okay, the wheat market, kind of similar. I think wheat's in a following mode here. It's going to do what corn and soybeans do. You can see the chart. It's down in good support. We probably got a 100-year low of wheat acres. Prices are low. Farmers in Kansas, for example, not seeding a lot of wheat. We'll see where we go here. Again, demand story really important, and some U.S. exports of wheat would really be a good antidote to here in the short term. Everybody have an excellent weekend.